everybody? Hey, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for watching. Hey, in my last video, we ended up getting an auger, augering all the holes, filling them with cement, putting all the pillars in, getting the beams on, getting the floor structure on for the pour season, and built walls, got walls up. Now this video focuses strictly on getting the ceiling structure in, getting all the framing done, tying into the roof. Is one of the most important parts, getting tied into the roof, making sure it's not gonna have any leaks or anything like that. Hey, like and subscribe. Follow me on YouTube here. I'm gonna be going through the whole entire job. This video focuses exactly on getting the roof structure in. You're gonna love it. Thank you for watching. Hey, as you can see, this is a pretty complex roof structure going on to the existing house. We got that LVL up high in the sky. I think that was an 11 7/8 with LVL going up there, but 2x8 rafters. We did a little cleat on each rafter. That way we got the ceiling a little bit higher. Dad and I are sitting here trying to figure out how to get all this put together just right. Just working through our heads piece by piece, cut by cut. I mean, everything was so unique. Each angle was cut just perfect just to get everything lined up just right. So we had to meet 3 different roof lines and come together to get it all nice and straight. It was pretty challenging. But we got it. We found a color match on the shingles, and off to the races. Just an absolute beautiful day over the lake, getting it all done, getting the lines just perfect. It turned out great. Hey, if you like what you just watched, like and subscribe. Follow me all the way through. I'm going to be posting shorts, and next video is going to be focused on getting the decking down, getting the railings on, and it's going to turn out great. Thanks for watching.